Hello everyone, I'm Clarence A. Tropicals and this is a common monomial factor. So everyone, I'm explaining how to solve a common monomial factor. For example, 8xy squared and 4x squared y squared. You will see what prime number you can use to calculate the number, and then the variable is multiplied by how many exponents are there. Let's see, xy squared is a 2 times 2 times 2 times x times y, and the 4x squared y squared is 2 times 2 times 2 times x times y. Next, let's just bring down the number that are the same. 2 times 2 times x times y. After that, let's calculate how much we get. 2 times 2 equal 4. Bring down x. Next, add the 2y, and that is the way complete the common monomial factor.